Let's look at what a material design is in this video. What is material design? A material design is a design system built and supported by Google developers. The current material design system is called Material 3. Material 3 offers components and color schemes and typography styles to create visually appealing and consistent user interfaces across different devices and screen sizes. If you wanted to learn more about Material 3, you can search for Material.io on the Google and visiting their website. Okay, this website teaches you how to create user interfaces if you're not familiar with it. Let's go and find it. Okay, let's go to the Get Started. By looking around, you can learn about user interfaces. I think. So the reason we are learning about material design is that we have been actually using material components and styles in our Jetpack Compose apps. Composables such as text field and switch, card, these are all based on Material 3 components. Jetpack Compose probably supports all the material components. You can visit all the components that are described in the Material 3 by going by selecting components and clicking on the component you are interested in. For example, we've been probably using cards. So if you click on the component, you can see how you can use it and what's the purpose of this. You can also see how to actually implement this, all the possible variations or something. For example, all the states, elevated card states. There are also variant filled card. This shows you how to effectively use cards. Basically, there are also guidelines how to use this card in our app, probably with do's and don'ts and types of cards. They also go on about how to make it more accessible by using these cards. How do you know what components a Jetpack Compose supports? Okay, these components are that are available in the Material 3, but in order to check the composables that implement this design and these components, you need to go to the Develop and Android Jetpack Compose. In here, if you click on the resource and if you go to the resource and documentation section, you can find Compose Material 3. And here, if you go to the APR reference, it's taking some time to load. Well, you'll see all the components that are available in the Jetpack Compose. We've been using the card, right? If you click on the card, you'll see what property, what are all the available parameters and all the different variants of cards. you can see how the material tree has described each UI system. By going to the styles, you can click on color roles, color schemes, or whatever, and see how they have created the guideline and typography. These are all predefined components and styles. With this we can easily create apps. Okay, so if you've been building the apps on Android Studio, you would notice quiz theme. What is this quiz theme? Well, this function tells this function describes all the styles that's going to be used for the material components throughout our app. This function is located in the UI theme and quiz theme. Here we're gonna set up material themes for colors and typography and content. We're gonna tell what colors we're gonna use throughout our app, and fonts and so on. If you go to the theme, we can see that there it's using color scheme and typography, and these are the wait a minute. So these files describe all the colors, and this type of file tells what fonts, what types we're gonna use. The easy way to create these files is using Material Theme Builder. You just need to search for it on Google. Okay, so you just need to give the source color. Click on the color button or something and select the color you want, and then it's gonna automatically create a color style. This is gonna create primary, secondary, and tertiary, neutral, all these colors for us, and you can see how this would look when our app is in dark mode or something. Okay, if we switch to light mode, this is how our app would look like if we used these colors. These colors are used throughout our material theme material components. For example, if you use this color, all our text is gonna use that color, and card components gonna use those. It's gonna use I believe tertiary or something. So the components are created in such a way they're gonna use these colors. They're gonna choose one of these colors for the background and one for the text. They're gonna automatically assign these colors if we have described these, if we have created primary and secondary tertiary colors, they're gonna choose the appropriate color automatically. And then we can go and select fonts, and if we click export theme, okay, theme address copied to the this created the light scheme and dark scheme. These are all the color styles that it created for us. Okay, Jetpack Compose. If we click on the Jetpack Compose, it's gonna download this file, zip file. Let's go ahead and extract it. If we extract it, we get this color theme type. Then we just need to copy these files to the location of app we are building.